Yes, how are you doing? How was your night? Yes, good morning to you too. What is happening?
This bird is called the common Myna. The biological name is Acridotheris tristis, the Myna bird, often known as the Indian crow. What is the common trait amongst crows? A search on Google identifies the bird as a growing threat to Qatar's ecological balance. Recent observations highlights the bird's aggressive tendencies towards other bird species, underlining the risk it poses to the local environment. Don't forget to follow, like, and share G-Drive for more.
Buddy. You want some? You can have some. Yes.